This is a walkthrough video of the 2-bedroom plus den I have at 2322 West Thomas. Looking to the west there, that's Western Avenue. Buses on Western. There's also buses on Division, which is a block and a half over, and the blue line train is 8 blocks up on Ashland. Street parking is by permit 24 hours a day and is usually very good. There's a hospital right up that way. The building itself has 6 apartments, 3 in the front, 3 in the back. All 6 apartments share one set of laundry machines, coin operated in the basement. There's also storage in the basement. To enter, you come in through this front door. I have it ajar, but normally the buzzers will buzz you. You can buzz people in. Mail comes in through the slot, and whoever comes home first hopefully will nicely sort it for everybody else. And then you walk up the stairs to the second floor landing. There's the poor tenant that I kicked out while I videoed. Actually, she chose to move. Anyway, you enter into the dining room, and the living room and dining room are a combined 11'3" wide by 28 feet long. Those kind of fun built-in cabinets separate the 2 areas. And then as you come to the front, this is the front bedroom. It's a little narrow. It is 5 foot 8 inches wide in the back here, 7 foot 8 total, so the closet's 2 feet wide. Good sized closet, and then it's 10 foot 7 inches long in that room. And then this porch looks to the west, so afternoon sun, south, so afternoon sun. There's a gas barbecue at the base of the back stairways for everyone to share. Central heat and air conditioning controlled by the tenant, and then you enter. Here's the den, or actually it could be a kid's bedroom. It's 8'4" by 7 foot 8, plus the taking out the closet space though. Bathroom, normal bathroom, has a shower in it. And then as I come out here, that was me. Here's a deep storage here, and then a pantry closet here. And then you come into the kitchen, and the kitchen is 15 foot 8 by 11 foot 5. We're going to redo the cabinets. And then this is the back bedroom, and this is 7 foot 6 by 13 foot 2. Nice size closet in here. More storage in the basement. If this interests you, please leave me a message.